What's up, YouTube? This is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a free giveaway using MailChimp. All right, so let's get to the money-making content. Let's go. All right, everyone, we're back inside my computer. My name is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and this video is going to talk all about how to set up a free giveaway using MailChimp. So, with that being said, let's get some housekeeping out the way first. This channel talks all about how to make money online when it comes to email marketing, creating sales funnels, building lists, and all the like involved in making money online in that making money online umbrella. So if that's your thing, if that's how you want to get down, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know the next time I drop fire new hot content on this channel. All right, so be sure to give a thumbs up and share this channel with your friends and family if you find it valuable and well worth the view. All right, so let's jump into the money making content. We're going to talk about how to set up a free giveaway using MailChimp. All right, so the whole idea behind this is to, well, build a list. You want to build a list. You want to build a list which is an asset to you, all right? And in order to do that, somehow, some way, you've got to create this. And in order to create this list, you've got to offer some sort of valuable content for free in exchange for an email, in exchange for a lead, in exchange for a person that you can be able to communicate with on the other side and present to them products and services that are in your niche, in that wheelhouse that they are interested in. So how do you do that? Well, this is what we're going to learn right now. So we are on MailChimp right now. MailChimp is one of the autoresponder services that I use to create email sequences. And in order to make this a deliverable piece of content that we want to give away to our visitors or someone who opted in for this, first off, we've got to create a list. All right, so in order to do this, we go right over here to where it says lists. All right, we go over here to lists, and then we go over to where it says create list. Now, if you don't have a MailChimp account, please feel free to do so. It doesn't cost you anything for the first, I think it's for the first 10,000 subscribers. It doesn't cost you anything to use MailChimp, all right? So now, let's go over here to create list and hit create list. Now, we go over here, we're going to give this list a name. So let's call this list, let's see, the subscribers will see this. So let's name it something that makes sense, that's meaningful, all right? So let's say that we're offering a free giveaway on some sort of cheat sheet, all right? When it comes to like affiliate marketing, making money online, all right? So let's call it cheat. Can I spell cheat right? Don't know. Cheat sheet for new affiliates. All right, let's call it that. And by default, Sean at, excuse my slow typing, Enterprises. Okay. All right, so there's that. My default, from default name, obviously, let's put on here the Mo Money Team. If you understand the acronym MOE, it stands for Marketing Online Enterprises. All right, so with that, let's go over here to save. All right, Now, be sure, like it says, remind people how they signed up to your list. So use a reminder from another list if you want. You can write on here, write a short reminder on how the recipient joined your list. So I'm just going to utilize that one right there. You are receiving this email because you are interested in earning an online income. All right. So there you have it. There's that. And these are the things you really don't need to be concerned with. So let's go ahead and hit save. All right. So now we've given our list a name. All right. So now with that being done, here it says cheat sheet for new affiliates. Now, what we need to do next is go ahead and go to campaigns. We go to campaigns and we're going to set up a new campaign that allows us to input this piece of valuable content we want to deliver to our new subscriber. So we're going to go over here to create campaign. We're going to go to email right here. From email, it says regular, it says automated. Now, if you are a smart marketer, you should already know that you should have some sort of email swipes ready for this. All right. So this means you want to go to automated. All right. And then you can use these right here, like email your tag contacts, welcome new subscribers. That's fine too. Generally, I go straight over here to custom. All right. So I go over here to custom. And it's an automated campaign that we're going to do, and we can give it a name. All right, so cheat for new affiliates. And then we're going to go over here to select a list. Cheat sheet for new affiliates, right there. There you go. So now we can go here to where it says begin. So from here now, we're going to go to our first email. Now our first email in this my custom workflow right here is going to be the email that we're going to use as a thank you email, and it's going to have the deliverable valuable PDF content that they were looking for in the first place. All right, so before we do that, let's go over here to where it says trigger, because we want this new subscriber to get this deliverable item right away. All right, so we're going to go over here to where it says edit. Right here, it's going to bring up this right here, and it's going to say immediately, hours, days, weeks. We want this to be delivered directly to that new subscriber as soon as they hit that button right there. All right, so that's done. We have immediately on there. Now we're going to go over here to where it says update trigger, and that's been updated. Now we're going to go over to where it says design email. So we're going to go over here to design email, and that's for external use only. It says my custom workflow. Let's just give it a name. We already know what it is. New affiliate cheat sheet work flow. Excuse my slow typing. I'm so sorry. And this is going to be what we call the giveaway right here. So we're going to type in here free giveaway. All right. So we're going to put a little preview text on here. Here is the let's say here is the giveaway you asked for. Little exclamation points there. There we go. And so now we're going to go over. Let me move myself over this way and go to next. And so now this is going to take us to a new screen to develop our email. I'm going to move myself back over, maybe go up to the top a little bit. And we're we're going to go over here. I like to use the simple text. It makes life real easy. I don't have to bother with any of the other types of content that MailChimp uses. And so we're going to go over here to where it says time to design your email. I'm going to type in, here is your free cheat sheet as promised. All right, so that section is done. And then we can hit this next. And we're going to type in, we're going to get rid of all this right here. I'm going to move myself one more time. Maybe that might help me a little bit. All right, so we're going to type in right here, to receive your free cheat. Oh my God, can I spell cheat right? Cheat sheet. Just click the link below. All right, so we're going to make another one, and we're just going to type in, let's give it caps, cheat sheet. All right, and then we're going to highlight this, and we're going to go over to where it says link. Now from here, we're going to add a file into this. So we're going to go to File, and we're going to find that file of whatever it is that we're looking to give them. Piece of content right here. I'm going to upload that. This is going to be our cheat sheet that we're talking about. This is just for video example purposes anyway. And so this is going to upload, and it should be uploading any second here. All right, I believe we've got it inserted. So now let's go to Insert. Now we've inserted that cheat sheet into this hyperlink that we have in our email. All right, so now we've done that. That's all done. All right, the next thing we can do is say something in regards to this cheat sheet. We can say, let's see. Thank you for taking the first step in your affiliate, can I spell affiliate right? Affiliate marketing journey. I hope it gives you great motivation and that you would take even more massive action. Then sign it off, Sean from Marketing Online Enterprises. All right, there we go. And then we save and close. All right, then we go to save and continue. Got to save it. All right, that's all done. So now we've got our first email all set up with our deliverable item of valuable content that we want to give to that customer. All right, to that new visitor, to that subscriber. We are all done with this section right here. Now, the next thing that you want to do is add more emails in this sequence. And this set of emails is going to be however many that you want. And generally, it should be at least 7 to maybe 8 points of contact that you want to be able to send to your customer, all right? Because generally speaking, most customers don't buy on the first interaction with what it is that you're offering to them, all right? So with all that being said, you would put all those emails into there, at least 7 or 8, maybe more, depending on how many you have in your email swipes for your promo that you're offering, for your product that you're offering. But once you've got that all set up, then what you want to do is hit next, confirm everything using MailChimp, and start promoting. Start promoting, start promoting. That is the end of this video. I hope it was useful to you. I hope it was valuable to you. I hope you learned something from it. And if so, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I drop new fire hot content ready for you, so you can be able to start your affiliate marketing journey. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, holla at your boy. This is Sean with marketingonlineenterprise.com. Until then, deuces.